you wanna learn how to change the background of a video in Premiere Pro. Okay, I wanna put this video in timeline in here, and also I will bring the background that I choose for this video, and I will increase the size of this image up to this video. Now if I play, you can see it is like this. Yeah, and the next things that I will add, that is effect in here, and the first is crop. I'll put the crop above the video, and I have the setting of crop in here. Yeah, from the left you can see I crop up to this, and from the right, okay. Yeah, and now the next thing that we have, it is ultra. It is a key. I want to put the ultra in here. Yeah, I have also the setting of ultra in here. Yeah, and now if I choose the star and click in here, it is down. Yeah, if I play now, you can see the background of videos change. Yeah, the next thing that I will do, I will double click in here and also decrease the size of video up to this much. Okay, up to this. Now if I play, you can see it is like this. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe, share, and like this video. I will be with you. Follow the channel. Goodbye.